How to loop YouTube videos on laptop and desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar, you have to type in youtube.com. Once done, you will land onto a homepage of YouTube. Let's go ahead and select a video in order to loop. Now, if you would like to loop this specific video, you have to right-click onto this video. You will see the option of loop. Just click onto it. And now if the video ends here, it will loop again and play again. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And just like so, as you can see that this video is replaying again because we just added this on loop. If you would like to uncheck this button, you can just simply click on loop again, and now this video won't get replayed. And this is how you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.